touch-ups on these wells, and in order to see what this property is really capable of doing, that's what we got to do. We knew that when we first started the project. We've tried to put little band-aids on to get things going the best we could, the way they were, and we're at a point where it's just time to put the money up and fix KING. This is well number 8. I just wanted to swing by here. We do need to get a timer on this one. We've been having to pump it manually when it is pumped, so we're definitely fixing to get out here and get a timer on it. This is one of our better wells too. It's kind of in the cut. Sometimes the weather makes it a little difficult for us to get back in here to it, but we're fixing to get some gravel roads in here and really spruce it up where this will be a showpiece where we can get in and out of here no problem. Anybody can get in here, even with a little car, by the time we get done. Just now getting pumped up, and we just turned her on. She's fixing to rock and roll, boys. These wells, I've got working interest in the project myself, so we're all ready at this point to put the money into it, get these wells fixed up, spruced up, painted, get some roads in here where we can stay in here to keep the wells pumped, and rock and roll. Hey guys, here I am out here at well number 5 on the Cobb lease. Just wanted to show you some of the beautiful terrain we've got out here. We're gonna get some gravel poured down in here so we can get in and out of here better too. It rains a lot here in Kentucky and stays pretty messy out here, and it makes it a little difficult on us. Hello Team UIG. I just wanted to show you, this is well 1 on the Cobb property. Electric is still good. Everything's good as far as the electric here. Everything's still in place, so we're good on that. Right here we had an issue with one of these arms breaking on the pump jack. So Scott cut that off. So this will operate, I'd say, for a good month or 2 the way it is, and then we would have time to get in here and swap out this pump jack, but it would work the way it is. We do need to lift it up. Our bridle is a little bit too long, so it's kind of bottoming out when it's pumping. So we're going to take and lift this up, put more cross ties under it, and hook it back up, and it'll be good to go. And we'll get a new electric motor out here because the one that we did have took a crap on us. Hey Team UIG, this is well number 7. Again, I just want to crack the valve and show you what kind of fluid we're moving. We haven't had any water problems with this property at all, and none of the surrounding properties have either. This well actually was kicked on, the timer kicked on while I was at the last well, so this one's near close to being pumped down because the timer's been kicking on and off all day like it's supposed to. UIG, I'm up here at the dual tanks that several of these wells go into. We've got a few of the wells on, so I'm gonna go up there and make sure that oil is actually going into the tank. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna shut this video off and turn this camera around. Team UIG, this is well number 4 on the Cobb property. This well is in good shape. We do need to replace the stuffing box rubbers, and this line ties in to well number 3 that we just looked at, that we let you guys know we have a leak in one of the lines. So we're gonna have to dig that up and get it straightened out, and this well is good to go. But I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna click it on and show you where the stuffing box rubbers need to be replaced. And we also need to get a timer set up on this box too.